What if one moment of anger could cost you everything? Is your anger solving problems or creating them? Are you reacting or responding? There was once a young man who was known to be religious. He prayed regularly, fasted often, and helped people whenever he could. People respected him for his devotion and his outward character. However, there was something inside him that he never truly worked on his temper. One afternoon, his younger brother accidentally broke something valuable in the house. It was not intentional. It was just a mistake. But before patience could speak, anger spoke first. The young man shouted loudly, said hurtful words, and humiliated his brother in front of others. The room went silent. The brother did not argue back. He simply walked away with tears in his eyes. That night, when everything was quiet, the young man sat alone. The broken object was still there. But what hurt him more was the memory of his brother's face. The regret began to settle in. He realized that the item could be replaced, but the words he used could not be taken back. He made wudu and prayed in his sujud. He felt something heavy in his chest. He began to understand that his anger did not protect anything, it destroyed something. Islam teaches that true strength is not in overpowering others, but in controlling oneself at the moment of anger. Many people think reacting strongly proves power, but in reality, restraint is the highest form of strength. How many relationships have been damaged because of one moment of uncontrolled speech? How many friendships ended not because of betrayal, but because of words spoken in frustration? How many families carry silent wounds because someone could not pause before reacting? Anger is like a fire. If it is not contained, it spreads. It burns trust, respect, and peace. The Prophet gave simple but powerful guidance for moments of anger. He advised that when anger rises, a person should change their position. If standing, they should sit. If sitting, they should lie down. He advised making wudu and seeking refuge in Allah from Shaitan. Anger can destroy what love has built over years in just seconds, but controlled anger can build respect, trust, and maturity. You are winning a battle within yourself. May Allah help us control our anger, soften our hearts, and guide us to respond with patience and wisdom in moments of trial. Ameen.